Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be creating wall decor out of paper plates. I'll first be cutting out the center of each paper plate, and I'll be cutting a total of 14. I'll then be using these 3 pieces of wood, and the measurements will be left in the description box below. So you can either use nails or you can use wood glue. I chose to screw in nails. I'll then be taking a total of 8 circular mirrors, and I'll be using them. I'll be gluing them on with E6000 glue and hot glue. Also, if you don't have mirrors, you can use the circular pieces that were cut out earlier to be mirrors. So you would glue them on like I'm gluing the mirrors on now. Next, I'll be taking the paper plates that I already cut out, and I'll be gluing them back together and placing them on top of each mirror. The next part is basically self-explanatory. Pay attention to the pattern that I'm using. I'm going underneath the plates and then coming up at the top and connecting to the next plate. And after the link is made, I'm making sure I glue each end together. Also, I'm wearing gloves right now to try to prevent fingerprints, but I am not good with gloves. I hate wearing gloves. I wear them outside during quarantine, but I hate them. So with that being said, I eventually took them back off. So next, I just went to the other side and did the exact same thing, making sure that I glued the ends to each other. And then I went to the middle and I added 2 more plates. I just glued that one on, and then I added 1 more to complete the look. After that was done, I went around and glued everything down. Anything that was awkwardly pointing out, I glued down. Next, I turned the piece around on the back side, and I just took my E6000 and went around the edges and made sure everything was very secure. Next, I took this piece of wire and I am going to staple it to the back and use this as my hook. And as you can see, I'm pulling the wire back and forth. I'm stapling it as I go until it disappears. And after it dried, this was the outcome. Who knew you could do this with plates? Like, this is so dope. Thank you all so much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.